Hello everyone, welcome to the another video edition of College Deco. In this video, we are going to discuss about WBJE counseling process. WBJE entrance exam results were announced on August 7 and the candidates who have qualified the entrance exam can register for the counseling process which will take place from August 12 to October 25, 2020. WBJE West Bengal Joint Entrance Exam Board has released the official notification for the counseling process and the registration for the counseling begins from August 12. The candidates must note that the registration for the first round will close on August 25 and the candidates will have to log the choices by August 28. This year, West Bengal Entrance Exam Board has made many changes in the counseling process. The entire counseling process will be online. So it will be e-counseling this year where the candidates are not required to visit the common service center or facilitation center or helpline center. So everything is online and the candidates will have to upload the documents also in online. So what are the list of documents required to upload? So candidates will have to scan the documents in PDF format and the candidates will have to upload the same on the official website of WBJE counseling. So some of the documents that are required to upload along with the registration are class 10 certificate or date of birth certificate, class 10th mark sheet, class 12th mark sheet, domicile certificate for West Bengal domicile candidates, category certificate applicable only for SC, ST, OBC A and OBC B, PWD certificate which if applicable, income certificate. So only those candidates who applied under tuition fee waiver scheme TFW should upload the income certificate along with the registration. The candidates must note that all these documents should be uploaded along with the registration for the counseling. This year, there is no registration fee for the candidates who have cleared WBJE entrance exam. Only those candidates who have a valid JEE main score instead of WBJE will have to pay the registration fee of Rs 500 while registering for the counseling process. So some of the major changes that are introduced in WBJE counseling are candidates who have a valid score in JEE Main and NATA, they will have to pay the registration fee of 500 and for WBJE rank holders, the board will conduct 3 rounds of counseling. It means candidates who have cleared WBJE exam are eligible for 3 rounds of counseling process and seat allotment. However, there will be only 1 round of counseling for JEE Main and NATA qualified candidates. Candidates who fail to register for round 1 counseling can do a fresh registration for round 3 or other subsequent rounds. The candidates will have to enter bank account details while registering for the counseling because the amount will be refunded in case of a failure transaction or failure registration process. This year, the candidates will have to upload all the documents in PDF format. Registration will not be completed if candidates fail to upload the documents. Candidates can also avail the assistance of common service centers at free of cost, which means candidates who do not have internet facility or a smartphone or a computer or laptop and a scanner to upload the documents, he or she can visit the common facilitation center. West Bengal board has set up 17,000 common facilitation centers for those candidates who do not have internet accessibility. So these common service centers will provide all the services at free of cost. The candidates must note that the certificate verification process will be online this year. The candidates are not required to visit any helpline center or facilitation center for the certificate verification and all the certificates will be verified through virtual reporting centers, which means all the certificates will be verified digitally. So these are some of the major changes in WBJE counseling process. WBJE choice filling begins from August 12 and ends on August 25. The candidates will have to log the choices by August 28. While filling the choices, the candidates must note that he or she should select a college, a branch and give a priority number to so and so college and so and so branch. The candidates can fill or choose at least 20 colleges in the choice filling. So that's all about WBJE counseling. And if you need any assistance with regard to admission in top private colleges in West Bengal, you can visit the common application form on College Deco. And we have a dedicated team of counseling which will assist students in getting admission in top private colleges without WBJE score. So if you do not have a valid score in WBJE, do not worry, you can still get admission in top private colleges through College Deco. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.